Okay, right. Welcome back. So we have 2x minus 3 equals 13. Now, the most important thing with this question is that we understand how to read the equation. And the equation always starts at x. So this is where we start looking at the question. So what's been done to the x? So x has been, first of all, it has been timed by 2. So let's write down x has been timed by 2. Put time by 2 into a function machine. After x has been timed by 2, then it's been minused by 3. Okay, minus by 3. Okay. So that's my second function machine. And then it gives me an answer of 13. So all of this lead to an answer of 13. So that's the first function machine being drawn for us. Okay. So now we need to solve it. When we solve a function machine, we need to go backwards. So let's reverse everything. Opposite of minus 3 is add 3. Then opposite of time by 2 is divide by 2. So we are reversing all the machines, and that will lead us back to x, to our input. Okay. Okay, now let's have a look at this question now. So we start with 13. We're traveling down our reverse machine. We come to plus 3. 13 add 3 will give me 16. 16, and then we divide it by 2, and then that goes back towards x, and that will give us a nice and lovely 8. So that will give us 8. So here our answer is x is equal to 8. And that's the end of our first question. Okay, now let's have a look at the second question now. We have 10x plus 7 equals 57. And we're going to start by looking at the x. X is the starting focus point for our question. So x has been timed by 10. So x is being timed by 10. And then it's been added by 7. And then the answer is equal to, so we have a little arrow, 57. So we have now converted our equation into a nice set of two function machines. What we need to do now, in order to solve this function machine, we need to reverse the machine. So let's go back from 57. Opposite of adding 7 machine is a minus 7 machine. Opposite of time by 10 machine is a divide by 10 machine. And that will give us our answer. So let's follow the machine through. So I'm now starting at the end, 57. I'm going following the machine. Minus 7. 57 minus 7 gives us 50. 50, let's do the divide by 10. And out will come our answer of 5. So x is equal to 5. And that's the end of our second example. So let's write that down. X equals 5. Okay, that's the end of our video.